Hi, I'm Arpit Joshipura. I head up open source networking, edge, and access at the Linux Foundation. And I've been doing predictions for the last decade. And since the last 5 years, we have even started rating those predictions. Some right, some wrong, but majority of them do fall in place. So this year, I wanted to do something different. I asked the OpenAI models to predict on my behalf so that I can eliminate myself from the middle ground. And they gave me some beautiful predictions. I read them all, and they were really generic. So generic that leads to my first prediction, which is the age of generic LLMs and things like that is over. We're now entering the phase of domain-specific AI. Domain-specific AI is on the rise, specifically in networking, in telecommunications, data sets that are AI-enabled, and models that are extremely pertinent to telecom and networks will be in the spotlight in 2025. Projects like POP, which allows models to be trained with data privacy, are going to be significantly important in 2025. My second prediction is all about making money. We've now hit the silver bullet on allowing networks to expose APIs and monetize them. Many networks globally are finally able to figure out which APIs to expose and which to make money off. So the use cases are endless, including fraud management and privacy management and roaming and things like that. So projects like Kamara have hit the sweet spot and are globally gaining traction. So 2025 is the year when API becomes a default way of making money and talking to the network. My third prediction is all about edge compute. Edge compute now is mainstream. 5 years ago, it was the hottest thing. Now it's mainstream. But within edge compute, I'm pointing out three verticals, specifically industrials, energy, and automotive, that have really stepped up their game in making edge compute their choice of next generation infrastructure. Specifically, you want the data to be at the edge, and you want the models and the AI to be at the edge, and not rely on public clouds or not rely on core to exchange the data or train the model. That's the biggest thing that's happening with several projects inside LFEdge and across foundations worldwide, where data and the models shrink and move to the edge of the network. Yeah. So with 2025 on the way already, I'm looking forward to a huge uptake in all of these three areas that I pointed out. And if you're looking for specific updates on these areas, including some very hot off the press information on this, feel free to join me at the Open Networking and Edge Summit in London this year on March 31st. See you all. Thank you.